Dispatch from Spokane Command. Rescue 1 reporting smoke inside the structure. It's upgraded to a full response.
Okay, Spokane Command, all units switch to Channel 1.
What's going to be our best access to the fire location inside the structure?
I think it's going to be from the, stand by, I'll find out.
Okay. Engine 36 is stand by there for now. We might be stretching off your apparatus. We have a hydrant over here at First and Spokane. See if you can't spot a secondary hydrant for redundancy.
Go ahead, Battalion 5.
Battalion 502, Spokane Command.
Okay, Battalion 5, be advised, your volume's pretty light.
South Spokane Street, cross of eastbound West Seattle Freeway, off-ramp to 1 and 1 Avenue.
From Rescue 1, best access is the U-shape of the building on 99, I'm sorry, on Spokane Street, right where Engine 36 is parked. Command, okay. What resources you need is pre-connect or extended attack line. 36s should be able to get in here with a pre-connect. We're emptying a pumpkin on it now. Engine 36, you copy pre-connect?
It is.
45, okay.
36, we need a supply. We need a supply.
Agent 13, you can get a supply to 36s.
We have potential responding units. We can come in. Might be better to have them assist. I will try to coordinate the supplies this time. But we also need SPD to block traffic. We had LDH up and down Spokane.
Dispatch from Spokane Command, we have SPD block Spokane Street. One block to the west.
Okay, Spokane Command, SPD from Spokane Street and 1 block west.
Rescue 1 from 36, just to confirm, we can get this with 200 feet of hose.
Let's go ahead and do 300 just to be safe. It's about 100 feet inside where I am right here. Command from Rescue 1. Appears to be one box on a pallet. We're going to try to pull a pallet out. Command, okay.
Command, Engine 36, be advised this building has a very large basement. There's multiple large elevators and holes in the floor to access that basement.
Rescue 1 copies. We got the burning pallet outside of the structure. Do we have any extensions?
Engine 5 from Engine 13. Engine 5. Would you turn west there on Spokane, just far over the LDH? Park between Rescue 1 and Engine 36. We'll coordinate the supply between 36's Engine 5 and Engine 13. 5, okay. Rescue 1, Team A from Rescue 1, Team B.
Rescue 1.
Is that all the fire, the pallet you just removed to the outside, or is there more inside?
There's a little bit burning on some of the exposures, so let's Let's pull a line in here and just wet it down.
Rescue 1 from command, we have fire under control.
Yeah, Chief, let's get some water sprayed inside here, just knock down some hot spots. But yeah, fire's under control.
Command from Stetson.
Rescue 1 from command, do we need positive pressure ventilation?
I'd like to get a hose line in there first.
The hose line's on its way through the door.
Flyer 1 from command, could you positive pressure ventilation when Rescue 1 gives you okay?
Ladder 1, positive pressure ventilation.
Command from engine 36, you might want to start the MVU.
Command from Rescue 1, fire under control. We can get some fans going and a company to shut down the sprinkler.
Command, okay. Engine 13 from command.
Engine 13.
Can you work on shutting down the sprinklers?
That's affirmative. We're going to also do the search conducted in the admin part of the building. So there's a couple workers still inside.
Engine 13, repeat, are you doing the search or you need a company to do the search?
That's negative. We're going to need an additional company to search the admin portion of the building. That would be on the Alpha and the Bravo side of the structure. Up the staircase off of Spokane and 1 Avenue.
35, 84, fire on channel.
We can hold off on the supply at this time. I just checked with engine 36. Looks like we can just take care of this 1 tank of water. Alright, okay, let's stand by.
Engine 10 from command.
Engine 10.
Engine 10, can you do a search of the admin areas of the building?
And okay, search the admin. Engine 13, Team Bravo from Engine 13, position 1.
13 Bravo, go ahead.
If you've already got the attack line in position, we're going to start looking for the sprinkler shut off.
Received, I'm going to check in and make sure they got everything they need, then we'll pass back out, look for the sprinkler shut off.
13, okay.
Response 8498, Seaview Place Northwest. Engine 35. Engine 13 from dispatch, be advised, we see in some files there's 3 risers in the basement on the north wall for the sprinkler shutoff.
13, okay. Access to the basement, sprinkler shut off.